Oh, yeah. There. Hello.
Oh,
Hello. Wow. What's that? What's that in
uh,
your camera?
yes.
Oh, Doraemon. Oh. Oh no. Do you like Doraemon?
Yes.
Well, I like Doraemon also. Oh, do you know? Oh, it's so cute. You have a mini. You have a mini. What's that? Is that decoration?
Uh-huh.
Is that a key?
Uh-huh.
What's that? Is that a stuffed toy or teddy bear?
Yes.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Oh, that's a decoration. That small thing.
Uh, uh,
It's so cute.
yoo-hoo.
Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Where did you buy that?
uh,
Did you buy that at the mall or at the supermarket?
uh, uh,
Or is it a gift to you from your mommy and daddy?
wait.
Oh, wait. Okay. As your so cute. No, no. I cute.
Cinema.
Oh, it's in
Cin,
in the mall
uh,
in Vietnam.
cinema.
Cine,
Cinema.
Cinemo?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
is it a mall in Vietnam?
Yes.
Okay. Sinonimo?
Mm.
Oh, wow. That's so cute. Uh, okay. How about do you know Stitch, Ngok? Do you know Stitch?
It,
Stitch, this one. Okay,
it,
let me have some picture here. Stitch. This one. He is also color blue like the Raymond.
Stitch.
This one. This is Stitch. Do you know Stitch? I know.
No, I don't.
Oh, it not famous in your country, Stitch? He's also a cute guy, like the Raymond.
This is a Doraemon movie.
Oh yes, the Raymond movie. Yes, I love that movie. And also the story because the Raymond is very very great. He can put a lot of things in his pocket. He's like Dora. Do you know Dora? Dora the Explorer?
Dora.
This girl.
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh,
Dora the Explorer. I think no
no.
because this is an old movie or an old cartoon. Okay, so wow, thanks for sharing about your Doraemon. So it's very cute. Wow. Okay, so now before we start our lesson, Ngok, so how are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Yes, I can see that you are good. Your energy is very high. What did you eat? What did you eat for dinner right
Uh,
now?
I'm eating rice and
Rice.
uh
Rice and
pumpkin.
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 Wow, pumpkin. Wow, that's delicious. Do you like pumpkin?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good job that you are eating pumpkin because pumpkin are good or pumpkins are good for our eyes. So if you have a very blurry vision, so it helps with your eyes. So wow, so that's good. You is the pumpkin soup? Is it a soup?
A
Pumpkin
soup.
soup?
A soup.
Mm.
Pumpkin.
Oh, teacher ate a rice and chicken soup today because it is raining. It is raining in our country today, so it's very cold. So it is good to eat some soup. How about in Vietnam, Ngok? Is it raining in Vietnam?
Dream.
Is it raining?
Mm,
Yes or no? Is it raining in Vietnam or in your place?
yes.
Yes, and is it cold? Is it cold or still hot?
So hot.
So hot. Oh, still so hot there because in here it's very cold. So it is raining earlier and right now. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our lesson today?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's go. So we have here last time our story, and you have answered some of the question here. But let's review about this story. Let's first review what happens in the story. So now let's look at the first scenario, this one. So there are many people. We call it as friends. So
Uh,
yes, who are the friends looking for?
look.
Who, who are the friends looking for? Who are they looking for? They are looking for, who are they looking for? They are looking for Lou. Oh no, what is happening? Look, are you still there?
Lucy.
Okay, very good. I think
Uh,
I think my internet connection is lagging right now because you are not moving, but I can hear you. So yes, very good. So they are looking for Lucy. Good job. And let's look at this second scenario. What is Lucy wearing? What is Lucy wearing?
uh, the Lucy wearing is
What is she wearing? She's
mm,
wearing
a green T-shirt.
green t-shirt.
Uh, she wearing the she wearing the black
Yes,
and
very good.
this
She's wearing green
this
t-shirt. How about
this
how about her
and
pants? What do we call her pants? Let's
has
let's take a look at this one. What did her
pants
friends said? It's her
that
favorite. What's that? Favorite jeans. Okay, so very good. So, um, Lucy is wearing a green t-shirt, a bag. She is also holding
she
a bag and her favorite jeans. Okay, so next, let's take a look at her bag here. What do we call this bag? What do we call this bag? It is
the
uh
color
what?
is uh
What do we call that? What do we call this first? This is starts with letter
this
H. And
a pants
pants. This one, what do we call this bag? This purple bag. It is a
a
hand
purple and
purple,
a white
purple, purple and white. Very good. And what do we call that bag? It's a purple hand bag.
and black.
Okay, very good. So we call it a handbag because we can just carry it like this one. This is a handbag, or actually, this is a pencil case. But for handbag, so we can hold it with our hands like this, like what is Lucy doing in the picture. So she is holding her handbag. Okay. So that is for our story. Okay, so now let's go to our next page. Okay, so just listen to what teacher will say, and you will color the clothes that is Sam wearing. So this is Sam. So she is wearing some clothes, and you will listen to teacher what are those, or what are the color of the things that he is wearing. Okay?
Then
Okay, so listen. So Sam is wearing a green shirt. One more time.
green
Sam is
in
wearing a green shirt. So can you color that cloth?
a green shirt.
Yes. Okay, can you color? Can you color that
Or
cloth in Sam?
green green shirt.
Okay, very good. Why don't you use the highlighter, this one, so that you can color like this? Use the highlighter pen. Can you try to use the highlighter pen so that you can color that? Okay. Can you use that? Highlighter pen. Hello? Are you still there, Ngo?
Mm,
Okay, you're still there. Can you use the highlighter pen? You can use that?
oh,
No. Like this one.
why,
Okay, sure.
why,
Sure. Take your time. Okay, nice. Make it bigger. Okay, just take your time. So color it all. Color all of his green shirt.
green shirt.
Yes, green shirt. Okay, nice. Very good. So he is wearing, or Sam is wearing a green shirt. So that is for our number one. So number two. Okay, listen to number two. He
Okay,
has, okay, he has a red watch on his wrist. One more
a
time.
red one, a
Oh,
red,
okay, very good. He has a red watch on his wrist.
a red
Okay,
one.
nice. That is a red watch. Very good. So next, good
Mm,
job, good job. That is his red watch. Also color this one in his wrist. Can you see this one? This, color it. Color this also red.
uh, mm,
Okay, so very good. So that is number two, red watch. Is it okay now? Okay, so now let's listen to number three. Number three. Next. Okay, wow, very good. So number three, he is holding he is holding purple grapes. He is holding purple grapes. Hmm.
this is
Okay, very good. That is a purple grapes. Nice. Very good, very good. Next, number four. He carries an orange bag. He carries an orange bag. Okay, can you color that clothing? Where is that? Okay, nice. Very good. So that is a bag or backpack. We can also call it as backpack. So next, number five. He is wearing yellow socks. He
Yellow.
he is
Yellow.
he is wearing yellow socks. Okay, very good. Yellow socks. Nice. And for the last one, he has brown shoes on his feet. He has brown shoes on his
Rabbit.
feet.
Uh,
Where is his brown shoes?
this
Oh,
is
okay, very good. So now let's try to describe. Let's try to describe using sentences. What is Sam wearing? Let's go first with this one. Okay. What is Sam wearing?
the Sam wearing is uh uh uh
What is this? Green?
uh green shirt.
Okay, very good. Green shirt. Or we can just say he or Sam is wearing green shirt. So next, very good. Number two. What is Sam wearing?
The Sam wearing is a red black a red watch.
Okay, very good. So Sam is wearing red watch. Very good. Okay, so before we continue the next number, so let's have your sentence pattern here. So you said the Sam is wearing. So when we are making a sentence, when we are using name of a person, so we shall not use the. So
The
we will just use his name. So instead of saying the Sam is wearing red watch, we can just say Sam is wearing red watch. For example, what is Sam wearing? Instead of saying the Sam is wearing green shirt, we will remove the. So you will just say Sam is wearing green shirt. Okay? Okay, so let's move on to number three. What is Sam holding? What is Sam holding?
uh
What is he holding? What fruit?
holding
What
the
fruit?
purple grape.
Purple grapes. Very good. Purple grapes. Nice. He is next. Number four. What is Sam wearing? No, we cannot see the clothing. What is Sam wearing? This one. What is this? Guess what is it? What is it?
Is yellow shock.
Yeah. Oh, okay, one more time. Let's say sock, not shock. Sock.
Sock.
Okay, so one more time. What is Sam wearing?
uh, Sam wearing is
Sam is wearing
wearing
yellow.
a yellow shock.
Okay, one more time. Let's say sock, sock, sock.
Sock. Sock.
Okay, very good. Not shock. Let's say sock. So let's remove the H or sh sound. So, but for that one, you can practice your pronunciation with the S sound. Okay, so make sure to practice saying some S words. So next, so for the last one, we cannot see what is he wearing. Okay, what is he wearing on his feet? What
Uh,
is he? What is he
he
wearing?
he wearing brown shoes.
Okay, very good. So he is wearing Brown shoes. Okay, nice job. Next, so let's let's move on to the next slide. So I will move the next slide, okay? Okay, I cannot move. What is happening? Oh, okay, let's watch a video. Can you delete?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's watch a video here.
Are you wearing?
Okay, let me just share.
Hello, Wendy Witch. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a black hat.
Looks nice. Hello, Pirate Bob. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a red and white shirt.
Great. Hello, Cook. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a red scarf.
Red
Cool.
scarf. Cool.
Hello, Tim Tiger. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a brown jacket. Hey, Marty, what are you wearing?
I'm
Nothing.
I'm wearing nothing. How embarrassing.
Oh no.
What are you wearing?
It's black. It's black.
Okay, so that is for our video. So now teacher has a question for you. Let's go with this which. What
Uh,
what is she wearing?
it's black.
Black what? Black?
Black.
She's wearing
Black.
black. What do we call this?
Black.
Black what?
Black.
What do we put in our heads? It starts with letter H. Black
Black.
hat. It's
L-H-G.
it's lag. What lag?
Uh,
Huh?
um,
The video? No. It is pause. It
okay.
it's not moving because it is in pause. It's not lag, it's paused. It's paused. So let's see. Let's see. What is she wearing? What do we call that?
No.
Wow, we cannot see. What is she wearing? She's wearing
She wearing a black black hat.
very good black hat. How about this one? What clothing is this? What
Clothes.
what clothing?
What clothes?
Is it a shirt? Is it a t-shirt? Or is it a
Is
dress? Huh? Are you sure?
a dress.
Okay, very good. So she is wearing a black hat and dress. Okay, one more time. What is she wearing up? She's
Uh,
this one. Can you read this
dress.
one? A black. What is she wearing? She's wearing
She's wearing
a black
a black
hat
hat
and what is
and
this? And black what?
black
Black t-shirt, black skirt, black shirt, or black dress? She's wearing a black hat and a black dress. Okay. Oh no, I cannot see. I will delete this. Okay, this one. What?
White.
Wait, what's he wearing? What's
Uh,
he wearing?
he wearing he wearing black
Black.
and yellow hat.
Okay. How about his shirt?
Uh, the sh- the his shirt is uh red and white shirt.
Very good. His t-shirt is red and white shirt. Nice. Very good. So next, last one. This. Okay. What's he wearing? We cannot see what's he wearing. What's he wearing?
He's wearing the uh red and white t-shirt.
Red and white t-shirt. Are you sure? Let's check.
Yeah.
Is it red? Is it is it a t-shirt, this one?
Uh,
No, it's not a
oh,
t-shirt. It's a scarf. It's a scarf. How about his hat? He's
uh,
wearing a
he's wearing uh
what is that?
he wear
He's wearing a white
he's he's wearing
white hat. It is also a hat. It's also a hat. So it is called chef's hat. So when we say chef, so it is like this man. So he is a chef. He works to cook. He cooks for people. So that is a chef. How about this? This deer. So this one is a deer. What is
deer
he what is he wearing?
a deer
Yes, it is a deer. What is he wearing?
uh he wearing he not wearing
Is not
wearing
very good. He's not wearing anything. He's wearing nothing. So very good. Nice. Good job. Good job, Ngok. So that is that is for our what is this? That is for our song or about the video or about what are you wearing. So now, before we end our lesson, so let's answer and you will write and draw about what you are wearing today. Okay, Ngok, what are you wearing today? So can you write it in here, this one? Can you write it in this paper?
okay
Yo, I'm
wearing
wearing.
uh
Okay, take your time.
uh 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 pink pink
Pink.
pink
Pink what?
white
Pink. Okay, okay,
pink
sure.
shirt
Okay, wow. Pink? Is this letter K? What letter is this? Is it letter L? Pink?
pink pink
Okay.
jeans pink jeans.
Okay,
Huh?
wow. Nice. Very good. Can you draw? What are you wearing right now? Is it color pink? Why are you using yellow?
Oh, right.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Okay. T-shirt. Pink t-shirt.
This is a shirt. A shirt.
Oh,
A
pink
shirt.
shirt. Oh, pink shirt. Pink shirt and pink jeans. Wow. That's a nice drawing. You remove the shirt. Where is your
A
shirt?
white. A white.
Okay,
Right.
okay. Okay, take your time. Okay, okay.
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 Wow, very good. That's a nice drawing. Why is your hair pink? Should it be color black? But wow,
Yeah.
good job for being so creative today, Ngok. So that is for our lesson. What are you wearing today? So now, so since I think it's already the end of our time, you colored your hair black. So since it's already the end of our
Mhm.
time, so we will continue this lesson next time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Ngok. I appreciate your presence for today. And thank you so much for waiting, teacher, while she is having such slow internet connection. So thank you very much, Ngok. And you can now sleep. Good night. Good night and see you again. Good, goodbye.